our story is called The Rainy Day. Big dark clouds are hiding the sun. It looks like it's going to be a rainy day. Have you ever wondered what clouds are made of? Sometimes they look as if you could cuddle them, but really they're nothing but wispy mist. Clouds are made of lots and lots of teeny tiny water drops. Inside the clouds, the water drops grow bigger and bigger. After a while, they grow so big and so heavy, they fall right out of the sky, and it starts to rain. The rain falls softly at first. Birds huddle in the trees to keep their feathers dry. Other animals hop and creep and crawl away to hide. Then all at once it pours and pours. The rain makes puddles on the ground, splish, splash, splash. Snails like being out in the rain. Wriggly worms love getting wet. Frogs come out to hop about and splash in the puddles. Plants like the rain too. Rain trickles into the soil and the thirsty plants suck it up through their roots. The sun peeps out from behind the clouds and shines through the falling rain. A beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. As the rain stops, the rainbow gently fades away. The clouds float away across the sky, and the ground has turned to squelchy, squishy mud. 1,000 tiny raindrops sparkle in the grass, and the little birds take baths in the puddles. The warm sunshine dries up all the rain, and slowly the puddles get smaller and smaller until they are all gone. And it looks like it's going to be a sunny afternoon. And that's the end of our story. And maybe when you go out for your walk, you could see if you can find the rain